Go across the Himalayas.
Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo, Bravo 1, ready for departure.
Golf Uniform Echo, cross runway 02, taxi hold Bravo 3.
Cross runway 02, taxi hold Bravo 3, Golf Uniform Echo. Golf Uniform Echo, Bravo 3.
Golf Uniform Echo, runway 08 left, surface wind 110 degrees 7 knots, take off your discretion.
Runway 08 left, taking off, Golf Uniform Echo.
Okay. Yep. Here we go. I knew what you were about then. That gets me every time. I'm thinking, why is he turning? Oh, that's why he's turning. The light is beautiful. It really is.
Golf Uniform Echo departing to the north, altitude 1,500 feet.
Golf Uniform Echo, roger, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Uniform Echo.
Where are we going? Well, since we're pointing there, shall we go up east of Winter Hill, where it's quite pretty? Don't think there's any clouds to entertain us, where we can get to anyway.
Oh, it's lovely and smooth.
It's a beautiful day.
Golf Uniform Echo changing to water radar 129.530.
Golf Uniform Echo, roger, score consecutive, free corner route, bye-bye.
Score continuity, 3 column route, Golf Uniform Echo. Water and radar, Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo, request basic service.
Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo, walk, good afternoon, patch message.
Good afternoon to you, Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo is advance RV7, Barton to Barton, overhead Bolton 2,300 feet.
Golf Uniform Echo, roger, basic service QNH 1027.
Basic service QNH 1027, Golf Uniform Echo.
Golf Uniform Echo, squawk 3642.
Squawk 3642, Golf Uniform Echo.
Make the A400 to the southwest of you by 4.5 miles, northeast bound, low level at 1,000 feet, entering the low level system.
Stop it, looking for traffic all from Millie.
So what can we do in the time? We could maybe go to the tall tower,
Blackpool,
Southport and back. Turn now, yeah. Yeah, shall I tell him what we're up to? Yeah.
Golf Uniform Echo, our intention is to route present position to Blackpool Tower at altitude 3,000 feet.
Golf Uniform Echo, roger, that's copied. And are you going southbound from the tall tower?
Excellent. Golf Uniform Echo.
Roger, I'll speak to Blackpool as you get closer.
Roger, thanks. Golf Uniform Echo.
The light is really gorgeous at my side. Those hills are beautiful. Well, funnily enough, I can see the tall tower.
I can.
Seems to be a nuclear explosion next to it. What a beautiful sight. Well under the 3.5.
But we need to be getting down to Middlebrook.
We
don't
do.
So, 1700?
Yep.
Golf Uniform Echo, recovering to Barton, request frequency change, Barton information 120.255.
Golf Uniform Echo, squawk constituting free call bot. Bye.
Squawk Security, free call bar, bye. Golf Uniform Echo.
Yeah.
Barton information, Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo, request join.
Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo, Barton information, hello, pass message.
Hello again, Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo is a Vans RV7, Barton to Barton, 2 miles west of Middlebrook, altitude 1,700 feet.
Golf Uniform Echo, runway 08 left, circuit left hand, Barton QFE 1025, squawk 7365.
Runway 08 left, circuit left hand, QFE 1025, squawk 7365.
Approaching waypoint.
Golf Uniform Echo.
Med 80 Delta taxiway, surface wind 130 degrees 7 knots, take off your discretion, no report traffic within the ATZ.
Oh, right.
Approaching waypoint.
I think we'll join left base.
Golf Uniform Echo, Halton, intending to join left base.
Golf Uniform Echo, roger, that's at your discretion, no report traffic within the ATZ, report entering the ATZ.
Roger, and we'll go. Golf Uniform Echo.
Autopilot. Disconnect.
Right, do you want to throw that flight plan away?
Yep.
Done. Cool.
Golf Uniform Echo, entering the ATZ, left base.
Golf Uniform Echo, roger, report final.
We'll go. Golf Uniform Echo. Golf Uniform Echo, final to land.
Golf Uniform Echo, runway 08 left, surface wind 130 degrees 7 knots, land at your discretion.
Runway 08 left, landing. Golf Uniform Echo.
Oh, lovely. There's about 3 seconds between the main wheels and the nose wheel. Fantastic.
Golf Uniform Echo, taxi park.
Taxi to park, Golf Uniform Echo.
Glad of her little wings.